Advocate Morara George Bwakuma, just from representing the 9 accused persons for unlawful assembly and rioting, contrary to Section 78(1) of the Penal Code. The 9 persons were arrested within Kisii Township yesterday during the demonstrations. They were apprehended and held at the Kisii Central Police Station, and this morning they have been arraigned in court. The charges were read to them, and all the 9 accused persons declined the charges. An application was made by the advocates, the counsels representing the 9 accused protesters. The counsels representing the protesters were Morara George, Zelma Bonuke, Omandi, Arati, and Stephen Okemwa. After making an application and the prosecution having not objected, the Honorable Court Chief Magistrate Caroline Ocharo granted bail terms of 3,000 cash bail for all the 9 accused persons, and 1 person as a surety for the 9. The 9 accused persons were persons, Kenyan citizens, drawn from across society, students undertaking laboratory medicine at Kisii University, another student undertaking microbiology, an obstetrician technician at the Ram Hospital, 2 border riders, and 2 citizens who are exercising their constitutional right under Article 39, the right of free movement. We take this opportunity to appreciate that indeed the accused persons have not made any complaint, less that 2 accused persons, accused number 8 and 9, are Kisii County enforcement officers who are on duty. Evans Ontiri and Geoffrey are enforcement officers who are in their line of duty, and they were arrested when they tried to give their identification cards that they are produced in court. They were declined their request to be given reason why they are being arrested, and instead branded protesters who are working against the government. We condemn such actions and pray that justice will prevail. We pray that the police force will not be politicized. The police force should not take sides of either the government or the opposition allied citizens of this nation.